Cannabis dispensary here in Jamestown, New York. We're on a pretty secluded road area here, so I don't know how much traffic we're gonna get, but as always, you're with the best of the best, so this is gonna be a good one. Can't really see him. Can only see the legs of somebody standing there being a chaperone, so. Oh, maybe they're giving a Karen Cam back. I don't know if she was.
Hello.
How's it going?
Not too bad, how are you?
Not too bad.
The video begins in Jamestown, New York, where the creator sets out to test public reactions to recording in public spaces. His destination is the Liquid Monkey Cannabis Dispensary, located along a relatively quiet road. Shortly after arriving, a woman approaches and asks what he is doing. Instead of becoming confrontational, the creator explains that he is exercising what he describes as his First Amendment right to record and observing how businesses, workers, and officials respond. The woman accepts his explanation and moves on.
I'm sorry, I just can't hear you because of the road.
What are you doing?
What's going on?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah, I was just curious.
Like, do you not know what I'm doing?
No, like what are you doing?
I'm videoing.
For?
What do you mean?
For what?
Does it matter?
No, I'm just curious. Okay. Is there a reason why you're doing it right here?
Does it like... Let me ask you a question, just so I can better answer your question.
Okay.
Do you support the Constitution?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's good.
The next interaction takes a different direction when a man arrives with a dog and notices the camera. He immediately objects to being recorded and tells the creator to stop. The conversation becomes tense as the man questions why the creator is on the property. The creator responds that the man could simply remain calm and have a good day. He also comments that the dog appears friendly, while suggesting that bringing the animal into the confrontation may have been intended to intimidate.
See, I don't hear that answer very often, but what I do is I go around and I exercise our First Amendment right to the freedom of press in public, and I see how people react. I see if, business owners or workers or police officers, if they come, I see if they, know and respect our rights like you do, so I appreciate that.
Okay. Yeah, I was just curious. You're good, though? You happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you good?
I'm great.
All right. You happy?
I'm happy.
All right. At least she was nice about it. Police rolling by, New York State Police. Ah, I recognize that plate from anywhere. That's a Massachusetts license plate right there.
As the situation continues, other people pass through the area, creating a mixture of friendly and negative reactions. One woman who had previously shown hostility appears again, while another visitor remains relaxed and even joins the conversation about recording. The creator praises those who remain comfortable around the camera and criticizes people who become upset by being filmed. The discussion turns towards social media, photography, and everyday recording, highlighting the different attitudes people can have toward cameras in public.
How you doing, buddy?
Oh, look at this puppy. Oh boy. I think this guy might have just been a fire starter for this dude in the truck.
What's going on, bud?
Nothing much. You got a beautiful dog. I love it.
Ah, it's my son's.
Nice.
Here, shut that off. I don't want to be filmed.
Whoa.
What are you doing down here?
Step up to it. Don't just get. Don't get.
What are you doing here? What are you doing down here? What are you doing here on the property?
Thank you for being cool.
Okay.
At least you're nice.
Okay.
At least you don't just get in people's faces.
The atmosphere becomes more relaxed as another visitor talks about taking pictures and recording videos. The creator responds positively and jokes about the person having a rockstar attitude. He contrasts this calm interaction with the woman who had reacted negatively earlier. According to the creator, some people appear surprised or frustrated by phones and cameras despite possibly using social media themselves. The conversation remains friendly, and the creator thanks the visitor for being respectful before continuing to document activity around the dispensary.
I just asked him, you're just
Yeah,
down,
you
you're
just
down
came
here.
up to me and told me to stop recording and put the camera in my face.
Well, yeah,
Why don't you just
I don't
take
give
it
you
easy and have
permission
a
to
good day?
film.
I don't need it. Just take it
Okay.
easy and have a good day.
Okay, bud.
Gotta be nice, like your dog. Not talk. I knew that guy just brought his dog over to try to intimidate me. A very nice dog. It's very sad that he would try to use him like that. This lady's got places to be. She's gotta bounce. Nice. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Nice.
The situation changes again when the creator notices that the earlier woman appears to be contacting police. He comments that she seems to believe the recording is illegal, while another person nearby expresses a similarly negative opinion about her reaction. The discussion then shifts toward the dispensary itself, with customers talking about products, prices, and flavors. The creator continues filming while people casually discuss their purchases and the quality of the products available inside the business.
No. guy looks like he might be the owner. Something. Glad this guy has calmed down a little bit. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you for joining in. Thank you. I knew you were okay with it. I knew you were okay with it.
Despite the earlier tension, several interactions remain surprisingly friendly. Customers and visitors continue speaking with the creator, and he thanks them for being comfortable around the camera. One conversation focuses on the heat and humidity outside before shifting back toward the dispensary and its offerings. The creator observes that the day has produced a mixture of reactions, from people who openly object to recording to others who appear completely comfortable with it. He continues documenting the environment without the confrontation escalating further.
Oh, geez, this is the same lady flipping me off from before. I can't even believe it. She's pulling back up. Oh, goodness. Maybe she forgot to buy something or something. Who knows? Thank you. I knew you were okay with it. I knew you were all right with it. Yeah, buddy. Thank you for joining in. We need more people like you. You're very cool. Crazy. It's terrible.
Yes, it is. We need some cool air.
I know.
Not right now, but just cool air.
I know.
As the visit comes to an end, the creator evaluates the overall experience at Liquid Monkey Dispensary. He says the workers were relatively calm and describes the second woman he encountered as particularly cordial. He also returns to the earlier confrontation involving the man and his dog, criticizing what he viewed as an attempt to intimidate him. The creator then reflects on the woman who appeared to want police involvement, noting that officers never entered the parking lot during the encounter.
Guys, 70 degrees.
It's the humidity out here too.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
So we either take pictures,
What's up?
take pictures.
And video.
Nice. I'm gotta be on video now.
What's up?
So I'm gonna be on video.
Maybe.
Never know.
Who knows? You got the rock star attitude for it.
Huh?
I say you got the rock star attitude for it. Not like this crazy lady.
Yeah.
Crazy. I don't know. Some people freak out over phones in 2026, I guess. I bet she has social media, though. That's the craziest part. I know.
Yeah.
To each their own, I guess.
Daddy, okay, bro.
I appreciate you being normal. I appreciate you being cool.
Yeah. You're awesome.
You have a good day, all right?
You too, honey.
In his final assessment, the creator describes the day as neither extremely good nor extremely bad. He highlights the friendly people who remained respectful, while also pointing out the individuals who strongly objected to being recorded. He thanks everyone who participated, including both supporters and critics, and invites viewers to discuss their favorite moments in the comments. The video closes with a reminder to subscribe and activate notifications so viewers can follow future recordings and new encounters from the channel.
She's calling the police. She was just hoping that the cops were going to pull in here. She was hoping. Because she thinks this is illegal.
What it is, man?
One of the dumbest things I've heard all day. One of the dumbest things I've heard all day. A lot of crazies out here.
She needs some psychiatrist now.
I'm sorry?
She needs some psychiatrist now.
Yeah, I know. Or she needs to take part in some of this.
Yeah.
She needs to smoke one of those.
Yeah, this is what she needs.
I couldn't agree more.
Yeah. With strawberry banana cake.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, she needs to get
Is it good in there?
Huh?
Is it good in there?
Oh yeah.
They got good prices?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
This is $9.
9?
Yeah.
Is it infused?
Yep.
It is infused? Yeah?
I think.
All right.
I don't know. I just want it.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you.
Yeah, it tastes good. So yeah.
It sounds like it. Strawberry banana.
Yeah. Take care, hon.
Thank you. You too. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too.
Of course.
Okay.
Thank you. You too.